Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make banana loaf bread. So, eto nga pala yung mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin. Sa isang mixing bowl, ilagay nyo lang ang softened butter at isift nyo lang yung sugar. Tapos, i-cream nyo lang yung butter. After that, i-add nyo na yung 4 na itlog. I-whisk nyo lang ito hanggang mag-combine yung egg sa butter. After that, i-add nyo na rin yung vanilla. Tapos, i-continue nyo lang yung paghalo. Then, i-add nyo na rin yung flour, baking powder, baking soda, at ang salt. Mas makabubuti kung isi-sift nyo ito. I-mix nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang mag-well combined. After that, i-add nyo na rin yung milk at i-continue ang paghalo. Sa isang separate bowl, i-mash nyo lang yung mga saging. Kapag completely mashed na yung saging, ihalo nyo lang ito sa mixture natin. Haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang mag-well combined. And lastly, i-add nyo na yung chocolate chips and give it a final mix. After that, i-transfer nyo lang yung mixture sa aluminum pan. At maglagay lang kayo ng chocolate chips sa ibabaw ng mixture. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So, eto na yung magiging itsura ng banana loaf bread natin after baking. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Pakishare na rin ang video ito para everybody happy! Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys! Till our next vlog!